How to request a replacement Regions Bank debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you lost your Regions Bank debit card or need a replacement, well here is how to request one online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard, you simply have to go to accounts and select card services or manage card. And there you simply have to click request replacement card and choose the card you want to be replaced. And with that, you just have to follow the prompts to confirm your address and delivery preferences. And after that, you simply have to submit your request and Regions will mail a new debit card usually within a few business days. And with that, just a pro tip is that you can temporarily freeze your old card in card controls until the replacement arrives for added security. And that's it. That's how you can request a replacement Regions Bank debit card. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.